Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick. This is Nick and the Sticks. Today we're not hiking, we're yakking. And I got my girlfriend Autumn with me. We're going to kayak down the Scioto River, find us a place to camp, do some fishing. She's going to be doing some reading. Relaxing, that's what she says. So, all right, come along with us. I'm glad you're here.
You look like a bug with antennas.
And we're off. We are floating down the river. Current's a little strong through here. It's a little shallow, but we're making it. You doing good back there?
Doing great. Trucking.
All right, we're gonna just kayak for a little bit and find us a campsite. Stick around and hopefully find a good site that we can set up our tent. Didn't kayak very far, but we found a good campsite for the night.
Just around the riverbank.
We're gonna set up and then start fishing.
The river we were on. Seclusion.
There it is. Broke out the big tent for this one. Just got it set up. We probably got about a half-hour daylight left. Say hi.
Hi.
Check this out. There's some deer crossing the river down there. Yeah. That's so awesome.
That was a lot.
Yeah.
You were a better fisher.
I got to bite it, let go. What was I supposed to do?
Make dinner.
All right, we'll get started on that. All right, she's sitting in the chair. Poles are out. Fire started. We're gonna get dinner started here soon. I just made us some foil pack potatoes and jalapeno sausages. You relaxing? Here's the difference between me and her. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt and just fine. Like, not a bit cold.
I have on leggings, my hiking pants, one hoodie, two hoodie, gloves, and a hat. And I'm still freezing.
Like, you'd think we was going to ski it, but no.
It's cold. And I have socks.
Yeah. We're out here sitting by the river. I got a couple poles in the water over there, fire going, and you know, I got to thinking about this river. Like, as we kayak down it, you know, we seen logs and, you know, driftwood dams and everything, like trying to stop this river, and yet it still finds a way. It still finds its way downstream every time. And you know, it got me thinking, like, that's the way we should be with our life. You know, when we decide to do something or set a goal, we should be like the river. You know, when there's a tree in the way or, you know, whatever happens to get in our way, you know, just finding a way. If we got to go around, go over top, no matter what it takes. But that's my thoughts for the evening. I'd say we'll probably be going to bed here soon and getting up early. We got a lot of kayaking to do in the morning. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, I got up early. You might hear fishing. She's still asleep. I I'll show you something. There she is. Big channel cat. That kind of surprised me, catching that on a goldfish, but we got one. Alright, we'll let this one loose. Well, I decided to wake up early, fish for a little bit, caught that fish. She's pretty cold, still in bed, so I'm making her a fire. It's time for coffee now. Alright. You want to hear me salt and pepper packets? There's my breakfast. Mine's better than hers because it has Spam in it. I just did. What's your own? Alright, we're all packed up. Got our kayaks loaded down and everything. It's pretty chilly out this morning, as you could tell. But we're about ready to launch out of here, and we've got probably about a 4-hour float before we get to where we're going. Well, we made it through the scary part. There was some quick moving water back there, but we survived. You good back there?
I'm coming. I'm in La La Land. I'm coming.
Got my pole all set up just off the bottom. We're gonna sit here and float, maybe catch a fish or two. Maybe. I thought that was Nessie. Thought for sure. You guys know that I'm alive. Back here in them rapids, the kayak got stuck, turned sideways on me, and had a scary moment there for a minute, but we're doing all right. Made it. She's back on her phone. Now we just wait on her sister to come pick us up.
Trying to see if we can where we can get lunch.
What?
Trying to see where we can get real food from.
Oh, lunch. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm Nick. This is Nick and the Sticks. Say bye.